Welcome to new video. My channel name is Surds. By this video I am going to solve number A. But look, here is given, I can write in here given p² minus 9 equals to 4√5. This part I am trying to solve number A, which is prove that p equals to √5 plus 2. Second part number B and third part number C. I will try to solve every question step by step. Now number A. Here is p² minus 9 equals to 4√5. We can write this one p² and both sides we can add plus 9, right? So here is minus 9 and plus 9, it will be out. We can write 4√5 plus 9. Our target to make it p equals to √5 plus 2. Look, √5, and here is also √5. Here is two things. One is √5, another one is 9. p², this 9 we can divide two part. One is 4, another one is plus 5. 4 also 5 plus. So 4 plus 5, it will be 9. And in the middle, this is 4√5. It will be unchanged. Now our most important thing, this 4 we can write 2² plus 5. This 5 we can write a √5². Okay. Now here is plus. So if we follow a² plus 2ab plus b², it means this is a plus b whole square. So a² is 2², b² is √5² plus 2, then a will be 2 and b it will be √5. Now look, this one is 2 times 2 is a 4 and here is √5. Therefore we can write this one a plus b whole square. It means 2 plus √5 square, right? Now this is p². Now we can square root both sides. So we can write this one root p² and here is root 2 plus √5 square, right? Now look, this square root and this square root and this square will be out. Therefore we can write p equals to 2 plus √5, and it's proved. Our target p equals to √5 plus 2, or this one if we synchronize √5 plus 2. It's proof. Done. Very simple. This is very important question. Please note that each question is the need for another question answer. But we will solve this one step by step, and number A is a one part, number B is another part, and number C will be another part. So next video will come very soon in this channel. Take care, keep practice and subscribe my channel Surds.